Construction projects are complicated, and keeping your eye on everything can be tricky. Before drone technology, the collection of aerial data was difficult and expensive. But in recent years, the use of commercial drones has become more widely accepted. Drones can be used to increase safety and quality for site material tracking and provide owners with a detailed view of what is happening at any given time. With BIM 360's drone technology integration partners, teams can collect data at various points throughout the project's lifecycle. You can survey sites before construction to help with planning and logistics. Fly drones at preset times to review the construction process. And after construction to verify as-built conditions. The integration of drone data into your project workflow can be valuable in keeping the project on time and on budget. Let Autodesk BIM 360 supercharge your project.